Hi everyone, today I want to show you my favorite top 4 best free screen recorder. To make this list, the app has to be completely free. Also, it should place no watermarks on your video. There's no recording limit, and you can output at the best possible quality level. I've included links to all of these apps in the description if you want to download any of them, and I personally use one of these, and I'll share that as we go through this video. Alright, let's jump on the PC, and let's check out these free screen recorders. I'm starting with a hidden gem you might not know about, the Xbox Game Bar. Now, you might be scratching your head, wondering, what's that? Let me tell you, it's probably already sitting on your Windows PC, waiting to be discovered. Alright, let's jump right in. Go to your taskbar and search for Game Bar. Voila, you've opened the Xbox Game Bar. This nifty tool isn't just for gamers. It's versatile enough to record anything from your latest gaming session to a simple Word document or even your browser. Here's a quick tip. You can also launch the Game Bar with a simple shortcut. Just press the Windows key and G. Inside the Game Bar, you'll find a widget menu. Click on it to go to features like Audio, Capture, Gallery, and more. And if you want to pin a feature, just click at the star right next to it. To start recording, just hit the Start Recording icon at the Capture feature and you're live. From here you can take a picture as well as turn mic on off while recording. When you're done, stopping the recording is a breeze, and you'll find your clip saved and ready for viewing at the gallery, or just click at this menu, at the game clip recorded. Need to tweak Game Bar settings? Just search for Game Bar settings in your taskbar. Here, you can personalize everything from controlling how Game Bar opens and recognizes your game, how you capture your game through screenshots and game clips, capture length to video quality, and even optimizes your PC for game mode. Now, while the Xbox Game Bar sounds like the ultimate screen recorder, it does have its limitations. It can't record your desktop or file explorer. For example, if I go to desktop, I can't record anything here, and some applications like Word or Excel might give it a hard time, especially with menu. Also, post-recording, there's no built-in editor or fancy cursor highlights. But let's be real, for a tool that's free and already on your PC, it's pretty impressive. That's why it's on my top 4 list of free screen recorders. It's there when you need it. No extra downloads. That's it for the Xbox Game Bar. At number 2 on my list of the best free screen recorders is Zoom. Yep, the same app you've been using for video calls can actually be a great screen recording tool. Let's break it down. First, head over to zoom.us and download Zoom for free. Once installed, open up a new meeting. Don't worry, you won't need to invite anyone. This is all about screen recording. You might be thinking, well, hold up, I'm not meeting with anyone. I simply want to record my screen. Don't worry, you don't have to meet with anyone to record your screen. This now launches a meeting on Zoom. At the bottom, we have the option to share our screen, and we can kick off our recording. I'm going to click on Record, and here you could pause the recording. Or you could stop the recording once you're done by clicking at End button at bottom left to get to the recorded file. But we also want to share our screen, so I'll click on Share Screen. Click on Share Screen to start. You can choose to share your entire screen, or just a specific window. Super handy for different types of content. And here's where Zoom shines. It's packed with cool annotation tools like you can draw, add stamps, and more right while recording. To stop, just click More and then choose End. You've got a high-quality recording with no cost thanks to Zoom. But it's not all perfect. You can't control recording quality, and there's no option for cursor highlighting. Still, with its annotation tools, Zoom is a solid choice for a free tool. The third contender in our best free screen recorder roundup is Apowersoft's free online screen recorder. You can access it via the URL provided in the video description. To use it, simply navigate to their website and click on Start Recording. Upon launching, you'll notice its extremely clean and efficient interface. There's a prominent record button to start your recording. But before diving into that, let's explore some feature like Screen with full screen recording. But if you want to record region of screen, you're going to need to download the desktop app. Beside that, there's the ability to configure audio inputs for both system and microphone. Another great feature is the inclusion of a webcam in your recordings. To record, you just need to click at Start Recording, then choose Continue Recording if you don't want to download the desktop app. Next, you have to choose what do you want to record. Browser tab. window, or entire screen, you can turn on off the audio here, then choose Share to start recording. Now you choose to pause or stop recording, and you can upload your recorded file to their cloud or save your file to your PC. When you finish recording, hit Stop to view your recording. You then have the option to save the video file to your computer or upload it to the cloud. Overall, this tool is fantastic for recording desktop or application activities. However, it's not the ideal choice for game recording. This now brings us to number 4 for the best free screen recorder, and this is also my favorite one out of the bunch. And this is the one that I personally use for recording all of the videos on my channel. It's called OBS. It stands for Open Broadcaster Software. It's free, it's open source, and you can install it on any platform, including Windows, Mac, and also Linux. The great thing about OBS is you have full control over your recording. Here, if I click on File and I go into Settings, I can configure all of the details of my recording and all of the different quality levels. So, I can ensure that my recording is the best possible quality. Along with recording my desktop, I can also choose to include webcam. Along with being able to compose my scene here, I can start recording, and here I have the ability to pause a recording, and then I could also resume the recording. Once I'm all done, I'll simply click on Stop Recording. Over here, I could add all sorts of different sources to my scene. And I also have an audio mixer where I can set all the different levels on my microphone or on the system sound. Similar to the other apps, if I go into Settings, I could also set shortcut keys for pretty much anything. I could set shortcut keys to start the recording, to stop the recording, to pause the recording, so I have full control. OBS stands out for its performance as well. It's remarkably fast and produces exceptionally clear recordings. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Compared to other software, OBS can be a bit daunting at first, with its numerous controls and settings. It requires some time and effort to get accustomed to. A few other cons to note: OBS lacks built-in mouse highlighting or annotation features, requiring external apps for those functions. Also, it doesn't offer any editing capabilities. It's purely for capturing screen or video content. My workflow involves using a separate video editor in conjunction with OBS for capturing. In conclusion, that's a quick roundup of my top 4 favorite free screen recording tools. If you found a tool that suits your needs, please like this video. Subscribe to see more content like this in the future. If there's a topic you'd like me to explore, drop a suggestion in the comments, and I'll consider it for future videos. That's all for today. I hope you found this helpful, and look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.